You can never be bored when the TV is on.
Wow!
Look, Polly, it's a whole palace. Don't miss it. This house could be yours. 3 bathrooms, 5 bedrooms, it's a dream. How many rooms are there? Polly, we need that house. And we have a great offer. A sale just for you.
Wow!
Megan, they have a discount. Now this is interesting. The palace is practically free. It's only $100,000.
What?
How much is it? They'll have to forget about the cheap palace. Megan, don't give up yet. Why do we need a palace? We'll build our own house. Small and cozy, like a dollhouse. Let's do it, bestie. All right, our house will go here. It's going to be huge. We'll put up walls, a roof, and windows. It's going to be a fairy tale house. Let's get to work. And let's start with the foundation. It has to be strong. Use lots of screws.
Yeah.
And now we can make the frame of the house. It's not easy, but teamwork makes the dream work. And now for the hardest part, strengthening the walls. Building materials are ready to go. Let's measure it. These beams should go here. And then we move on to the roof. Make it a triangle. It looks good. We're almost done with the frame. There's just a few finishing touches left. Where can I get some tiles for the house? The friends already have great ideas. The roof will be green. Just wait for it to dry, and then we can get started. Draw a tile pattern on the roof. Cardboard stencils will help. It's easy. Even a kid can do it. And then a marker will come in handy. You need to go over the outline a little. It looks so realistic. It's time. Pull, Megan. Yay! The roof is in place. All that's left is to fix it. Snap! It's done. The roof is in place, but the walls aren't there yet. Let's fix it. We'll put these plastic panels around the house. Quick and easy. Help me, Polly. It's so much more fun to work as a team. Building a mini palace is a piece of cake. What color will our house be? Light lilac looks great. Paint and rollers. That's all we need. It's time to show your artistic talents. I love painting. And we can make the frames white. We'll take our brushes and start creating. Let's paint the shutter doors white too. Follow me, Polly. It's time to think about the interior of the house. I've got some ideas, bestie. First of all, the wallpaper. That's a great idea. Soon the house will look completely different. The paint is dry, so it's time for the doors to go on. Make sure it's secure. Polly's a pro at it. Perfect. It's working. Who did a good job? Polly did a good job. It's time for this rug to stop just lying around. It has become so cozy. And these pink curtains will make it feel airy. Hook the tool to the ceiling. Use a furniture stapler. All the fairy princesses will be jealous. We did it! But there's a conflict brewing in the construction crew. Megan, I know better, but friendship always wins. We'll put this cute kitty here. And we'll put the chest of drawers right against the wall. And a couple of cute accessories, of course. Let the interior shimmer in all the colors of the rainbow. What about the furniture? We'll need a comfortable armchair. And one more for company. A table will also come in handy. Wow, that's comfy. What's next? The cabin shouldn't be empty. We need a startup right away. Here's an idea. Why not open a beauty salon? And we could use the shelves. We'll put all the beauty stuff on them. There'll be lots of them. This is a decent beauty salon.
Yes!
More light. These bulbs fit perfectly into the interior. Now the cabin will be bright, even at night. And the final touch is the lovely curtains. Who wants to visit? Megan and Polly are ready to welcome guests. We forgot the windowsill, Bestie. It's very simple. There are no barriers for a real builder. Wait, we don't have a sign. Let's make one. And the beauty salon is open. All your beauty dreams will come true here. We're waiting for you. Here comes our first customer.
Wow.
Come on in. Make yourself comfortable. Megan and Polly know a lot about makeup. The recipe for beauty is simple. Rainbow colors, precious glitter, and bright accents.
Yeah.
Look, the stylish look is ready. Here comes the first profit. This beauty salon is gonna be a hit.
Yes.
And we have one more client. Any requests, miss? No makeup, just hair. This is Polly's finest hour. She's about to give the best haircut in the world. Let's add some colored strands and tie the hair in fancy ponytails. Add a special gift from the stylists, the rhinestones. The customer is happy.
Wow.
That's the best reward for the stylist. After a tip, of course. The beauty salon is getting popular. There comes the next client. Hello, anybody home? Do they do nice hairstyles here? Welcome! Uh-oh, this house is not designed for giants, but the stylists already have a solution. Come to the window, buddy. Here's your chair, and the stylists get to work. A little gel, and the hairstyle is ready. Thank you.
Yeah.
The aspiring stylists have earned their pay. Turns out a beauty salon is a good business. But there are so many more business ideas out there, like having your own cafe. The most important thing is the counter. And you could lift it up and then put it back. Polly, keep up. Let's do it. Yes, girl. A couple of self-tapping screws and the rack is in place. All that's left is to paint it. Pink hasn't ruined any cafe yet. We take brushes. Down with the beauty parlor. The cottage is turning into a cozy coffee shop.
Yes.
Who wants a snack? Come on in. And the dish of the day will be mouth-watering hot dogs. All the ingredients are in place. It's just a matter of making them. The recipe is easy. A bun, a sausage, and a side of sauce. This looks really good. No one will refuse this dish. Excuse me. Here comes the first customer. What's on the menu today? I'll have one hot dog, please.
Wow.
Enjoy it. An outdoor snack? What could be better? The customers keep coming.
Thank you.
Hot dogs are delicious.
Wow.
A little more and this little cafe will become a 5-star restaurant. It's a success. While the guests are tasting the goodies, the businesswomen are counting the profits. We did it, Megan. Way to go, girl.
Yes.
This cafe will be the talk of the town. Business is so tiring. Why don't we take a break and watch a movie? Great, the screen's already in place, and we'll put the projector over there. Come on, Megan. Let's rearrange the chairs and we're ready. The home theater is perfect. It's time to launch our next startup. Polly, we're opening a movie theater. The sign is already here. There's even a poster. We can watch Moana today. Let's fire up the projector. Settle into your seats and relax. Popcorn makes it twice as fun. Polly, we forgot something. 3D glasses. Everything in the home theater is real, but you don't need those glasses. It's okay without them too. And there'll be plenty of visitors. Knock, knock. Can we watch a cartoon here? Come on in, make yourselves at home. And there's a little bonus for every visitor. Free popcorn. The service is top-notch. It's getting a little boring. What should we do? Polly, we need a party. That's the best idea, Megan. But there's a lot of work to do. We have to decorate our cabin. Lots of glitter and LEDs. The dance floor looks great. And DJ Megan is about to find the right music. Here we go. Let's party. We're gonna dance until morning. Candace, we need this house. It's perfect. You can have a party here every day. Polly, I have an offer. Your cabin for my money. That's tempting. Go for it. There's $100,000 at stake. You can't turn down this offer. Oh yes, there's a lot of people who want it. Wow, looks like we got a good investment. Hey girls, thanks for the cabin. Megan, are we rich now? Yes! Congratulations on your purchase. There's so much money here. We could build ourselves a whole palace.